Sa ating banda, sa drums, Emilio Regalado. Thank you. Bass, Sophia. Guitar, Noel Mendez. Keyboard, Nico Rivera. And of course, my musical director, Mr. Mark Lopez. And palakpakan din natin sila lahat. At hindi mawawala, our beloved director, Derek Vigo Gutierrez. Thank you so much for believing in my capacities. Thank you po. At para sa mga susunod ko ng mga kanta, gusto kong maging bahagi kayo ng music video na to.
What?
So yung may mga fan cams dyan, please send your videos to julianneitsmytime@gmail.com at bubuuin natin ang music video na to using your shots. Yun, so ipapalabas ng lahat sa SNDO. Ayun o. Yung videos nyo. Pero hindi pa man nabubuo ang music video na to, nagpapasalamat na po ko sa inyo. So, thank you in advance for everything.
Gusto naman si Maki.
Every single thing you gave me, all the special times we spent, for every smile you painted on my face. For understanding my limitations, for putting up with my frustrations, for always being there every step of the way. Should I find in a moment when I'm happy and not? Never lost a single minute in despair. There are times that you can really turn out so bad, and there's nothing I can do to get it back. Take it away with all your loving. You take it away with just one touch. Whatever reason I'm in to hurry, just take away from me. To say I love you, but I needed it the longest. The moments where make me feel so good, feel so good. Don't forget to tell me goodnight, tell me say my promise. Don't hold tight when something is wrong. Something is wrong. Every time you take a breath, turn out so bad. So there's nothing I can do to get it back. Take it away with all your loving. Take it away with just one touch. Whatever reason I want to hurry, take away from me. Ang gabi nito ay proof That if you work hard, your dreams can come true. And here's one of my favorite songs from my favorite idol, Miss Lea Salonga.